Hello everyone, it's Phantom Lord Giratina coming at you yet again. Well, it definitely seems safe to say that my luck with shiny legendaries is back for a while. Because, yep, you probably caught a glimpse of that. Come on, that's not what I'm looking at. Yep, shiny Thundurus is back, baby. After losing the first one at 125 SR, now after a total of 2,836 encounters, Shining Thundurus has reappeared in Pokemon Ultra Moon, less than 24 hours after Shining Celebi was acquired. Pop a Roto Catch immediately. Need to boost our chance of catching it. Okay, you need to stop doing that, Thundurus. Oh my god, look at that thing. I'm definitely trying not to use my Master Ball on this thing because I'm trying to save that for Lugia later on. One. Yeah, I didn't think that was going to work. Yeah, just kill me. Thank you. Thank you. When you're actually happy when a wild Pokemon takes out that thing. Alright, let's hurry up and full swipe this thing before it gets out of control. I was actually just talking on the phone with my cousin, and this monster decided to show himself. Like, are you kidding me? My heart can't take this. I just can't take this. Are you kidding me? Oh, eat it up. Okay, hit you with another. I'm just double checking everything to make sure I don't accidentally fucking hit the wrong button and run. That would be an absolute tragedy. Okay, you know what? I think that's a decent enough health. Throw another Ultra Ball. Now, the Roto Catch's effect lasts for about 10 minutes. So, let's see. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Come on. Come on, Thundurus. No, okay, this thing is sitting at +4 special attack. It's a good thing I got Pokemon on my team that resist its attack power. Okay. Let's get him down to 1 health. There we go. Oh my lord, my luck is just off the chart again. I'm sure it won't be long before it fades, so I'm just going to take advantage of it and get as many as I can. Come on, Thundurus. I've waited so long to see you again. Oh my lord. Oh my god, melted. I'm sorry if I'm shaking quite a bit, but holy cow. Now, what are the chances of that? Well, good thing I did some training earlier today. Hey, this thing is fucking frightening. Losing power. I mean, it's a +4 special attack. Come on, Thundurus. What are you doing, big dog? Yep, Crunch doesn't do much to me, and I also have some decent special bulk on Incineroar here, so this thing should not be able to kill me at all. 1. Oh my lord. Can you stop? Thundurus, can you stop doing this to me? Come on. Don't be a jerk. Don't be a jerk. There's no need for that. 1, 2. Oh my lord, 3 shakes again, and okay, this thing is at +6 special attack. I do have a Master Ball, but like I said, I really don't want to have to use it on this thing. 1. Oh my. Ow. Jesus H. Christ, this thing is giving me the once over here. Good lord. Wait, okay, I guess I'm going to my Cream Arena here. Dum dum da dum. Stay in there. Come on. Oh my lord! This might just be the most stubborn legendary I've battled in a while. Holy mother of mercy. Come on. Get in there. Get in there and stay in there. You are going to get in there and you are going to like it. Nope, he doesn't like it, clearly. Thankfully, Crunch doesn't do too much damage to me. It would be funny if I actually caught him in a Beast Ball. Maybe next one I'll try Beast Ball. That's the one right. Good lord, Thundurus. You gotta cut that out. Okay, maybe I need to pop another Roto Catch. Okay, we're gonna pop another oh, doesn't have an effect. Okay. You know what? We're gonna try one beast ball just to see what happens. That'd be absolute. There's no way I'm catching this thing in a beast ball. Yeah, I didn't think so. Thundurus is just like, yeah, didn't think so. Oh. Get in there. Come on, you blasted thundercloud genie. 1, 2. Ah! Don't you dare, Thundurus. Don't you troll me like this. I honestly don't even care if synchronized fails. I'm just glad to have this thing back. 1, 2, 3. Oh my lord! What are you doing? Giving me thunder. Well, my Primarina is dead as dead can be. Ow! I do have revives and things, but I don't know how well Alaska's gonna hold up against this thing. I think because you're a glass cannon. Alright, I'm gonna try maybe 5 more Ultra Balls, and then I may decide to pop my Master Ball on this thing. As much as I really don't want to, I might end up having to and just... Okay. Now, Thundurus, I believe, has about 70... Come on, get in there. Oh my god, destroy me, will you? Okay, we're gonna revive one of my team members here. Come on, Thundurus. Good lord, man. Three shakes again, Thundurus? Can you stop that? This is bad. Well, at least you'll get to see my shiny Celebi again here, folks. This music doesn't help. Oh, because it's so intense. Damn it. Come on, Thundurus. Maybe if I try looking away. Good thing Celebi's a tank and just eats crunches, and discharge won't do much, even at +6. At least I don't think it will. Bada bing, bada boom. There it is. Shiny Thundurus captured. I guess in the wise words of Dave Chappelle here, gotcha, bitch. Had to do that. That was just perfect. Yes, I do have the perfect nickname for you. Now, this might be the improper spelling of it. I don't know for sure. Okay, never mind. It looks like we're not going to nickname him right now. Let's see. we sent him to a PC box. God damn it. Well, first off, most importantly, save the goddamn game. Bam! Shiny Thundurus is ours. Reclaim successful. Jesus Christ. Now there is one other little hidden thing about Thundurus that I would like to show in this game. But we'll have to go to the Interdimensional Research Lab in order to access it. Now you see, back in Generation 5 when Black 2 and White 2 were released, Thundurus, Landorus, and Tornadus all received a new form called the Therian form. which can only be accessed through an item called the reveal glass. I'm going to show you just how to obtain it. So consider this a nice little shiny reclaim video and a little guide video all in one. But first off, let's go pick up our Thundurus and heal our team, because that thing freaking throttled us. That's real hard. Jeez. Good God, man. My luck is off the chart again. Let's first heal my team, because that thing ravaged us. That's hardcore. Now, I guess it would be nice if synchronized works this time, but it's worked the past 3 times in a row. I don't think it's going to work again. There's just no way. Wait a minute. Are you fucking kidding me? It worked. I'm done. I'm done. Are you kidding? And he has his hidden ability, apparently. Didn't know that was a thing. There we go. Shining Thundurus in all its glory. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I read somewhere that I believe in Ultra Sun, Ultra Moon, what you need to do is you need to go to here to Hee City. I don't know how you say it. Go over here to the Dimensional Research Lab where you talk to Professor Burnett. I'm sorry if the camera's going blurry again, but I literally almost just had a heart attack because of this. Go up the elevator and go talk to... There it is, the reveal glass. Now if we just go to our key item slot, alright, now let's finally go get into an encounter with this beast and end this. My next target, I'm probably going to continue on with my regigigas hunt, which is currently at 1300. And it was suspended when Pokemon Crystal dropped. As you can see, Celebi decided to show up, so I immediately came back to Thundurus. Yes, and, well, let's say shit hit the fan again. Well, that's my Mudsdale, whatever. Okay, let's just go down to Diglett's Tunnel. I'm going to do a quick encounter and end the video there. Stabilize the camera again. Focus camera. Come on, focus. Come on. Alright, anyway, here we go. Normal Larvitar. Shiny Thundurus Therian form. Alright, let me try and focus the camera one more time so we can actually get a decent quality shot. There we go. Come on, one more encounter, that's all I need. Well, alright, last encounter. Normal Zubat, and Shining Thundurus Reclaim. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoy. Good luck to all your hunts. This is Phantom Lord Giratina. I'm out of here.